I'd like to show you tips to make a multiple loops bow. If you use wired ribbon, it makes easier. With the right shorter end ribbon, make one loop and the tail, hold the point, then with the left longer end, wrap around it under the box to the front. With the right shorter end goes over and through under the longer end ribbon at the point. Then pull it out, pointing in the upper right hand corner. After you make the first loop with the longer end, continue to make another loop on the left side and another one on the right side. For making an 8 loops bow, make 4 loops on the right side and 3 loops on the left side. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right, 1, 2, 3 on the left. Gather the loops in the center, then with the right shorter end, make it go over and push into the hole and pull out to the left. You can make any number of loops, just keep right side always one more loop than the left side. For tightening it, pull out the upper side of the most bottom loop of the left side and the lower side of the most bottom loop of the right side. Then adjust the all loops while make them fluffy. Now you have a fluffy 8 loops bow. Cut the both tails as desired at the end. If you'd like to make it fancier, you can add more bow on the top. With another ribbon, make go through under the nut point from top. Make one loop and the tail with a shorter lower end. Release it, then make a knot on the top of the bottom knot. Pull out the shorter end pointing in the upper right hand corner. With the longer end, make 2 loops on the right side and 1 loop on the left side. Then gather the loops in the center. With the right shorter end, make it go over and push into the hole and pull it to the left to make a small 4 loop bow on the top. Then again adjust the all loops while make them fluffy until it's getting look nice. Trimming tails is always at the end, so you can cut them as desired. Practice with smile makes perfect.